I'm nervous. Anybody else nervous? Today's video is either a great idea or a terrible idea. I am going to be attempting to tint my eyebrows at home. Now, my timing of this is slightly suspect because we have a Henley Regatta tomorrow where there are many photographers. If this goes badly, I'm going to have terrible eyebrows. Everyone's gonna know about it. I grabbed this kit from Allure London because it had really good reviews on Amazon. This may go terribly. You may learn from my mistakes. I really like having my eyebrows tinted. I haven't got anything on my eyebrows right now, and you can see I have quite a few hairs towards the ends of my eyebrows, but they go much more blonde, like in the middle. It's so annoying. They're like really dark hair here, and then they go more blonde, so it just makes it look quite patchy. Whereas when I have them tinted, then obviously those patches are kind of, they disappear. So if I could do this at home, this would be great because this whole kit was less than an appointment to get it done. It's not that much to get it done. It all adds up. Okay, so inside the kit you get your cream colour, a little spoolie, which is actually quite a nice little spoolie. It's quite useful. And then the activator cream. So we'll find out what that does. I do have a slight concern, is that I'm worried that this is going to pull quite warm. My hair is very neutral. I do have blonde through it, obviously when it's the balayage is all grown out at the moment. So I don't want this to pull kind of gingery, just because I don't have any of those tones in my hair. So that's my only concern. My only concern, which is not my only concern. It's my main concern right off the bat. But let's give these a little perusal and BRB. Okay, this sounds reasonably simple. I do need a mixing dish though, so be right back. Okay, mixing dish acquired. I've grabbed one of our old plates just in case it stains it. I don't think it will, she says. I'm also gonna need cotton pad, which is downstairs again. This is going really well. Carefully spread barrier cream like petroleum jelly. If this is downstairs as well, I'll give it up. Guess where it is. So it turns out we don't have any, but I do have something very, very similar. One of those chafing relief powder gel things. So I think that this will work. If it doesn't, again, you can learn from my mistakes. So I will grab a cotton swabby thing because this is what the lady who normally does my eyebrows uses. And I feel like her example is probably a good one to follow. Give my eyebrows a good little comb. Squeeze approximately 1 centimetre of activating cream into the same mixing dish. Okay, so you put colour cream in first, approximately 1 centimetre. I don't actually know how to measure 1 centimetre by eye. If you do, teach me always. About the same of activator cream. And then mix them together straight away. I'm going to use another little cotton bud, and it says mix well. Apply the cream mixture to the eyebrows using the mascara wand. If the cream touches the skin, wipe off immediately with a damp cotton pad. I will get my damp cotton pad ready. Not that I'm anticipating problems, but at the same time, I've never done this before, so you know. Load this up. It doesn't have a guide colour. It's going on quite clear. I would quite like a guide colour. I think that would make it easier. I'm gonna tidy up that edge just a little bit, just to be sure, because I quite like a sharp, you know. And now we are going to leave that for 10 minutes. So I will probably watch a YouTube video. Being quite frank, I was about to say I was gonna do something productive. I won't. And I will see you guys in 10 minutes. You know what, actually what I'm also going to do in this 10 minutes is I'm going to do the other eyebrow because I see no reason why I can't do these both at the same time. Again, we shall discover what that reason is. mean, I don't want to jinx it. Colour is perfect. Let's wipe this off and see how we're looking underneath. Obviously, it always kind of dyes the skin a little bit as well, which is actually, I kind of quite like that. I'm always like, no, stay. I mean, it's definitely done something, hasn't it? I mean, you can tell, so this one's got the dye on, so you can see kind of the block. It is still a little bit patchy. Let me just get a normal spoolie that doesn't have dye on it. Oh, and that's my alarm for the other eyebrow. So we'll take that one off as well. Okay. So that is both eyebrows done, spoolied through. Okay, thoughts. So my initial impression is this worked so much better. It's so much easier than I thought it would be. Good eyebrows. Oh, what a difference they make to your face. Obviously, you can still see. Now, okay, that patchiness looks much, much worse on camera than it does in real life. In real life, I wouldn't feel the need to touch up that at all. Maybe still a little bit. Actually, no, you know what I would do is I would use my little eyebrow gel, my little tinted eyebrow gel, just to set my eyebrows in place, and that would fill in. I'm really impressed. Well done, Isla. I mean, obviously not sponsored, I just got this on Amazon, but that's really, really good. I've also got so much of this left. I don't know how many applications. Oh, up to 12. Helps if you read the front of the box. Up to 12 applications. It says it lasts up to 6 weeks. Now, if you are a double cleanser, which of course you all are, aren't you? Then this is not going to last 6 weeks. I will probably do this every 2 weeks, I imagine, just because my eyebrows are my least favourite part of my makeup routine, but I also feel like they're probably the thing that make the biggest difference. That and the mascara. You cannot take my mascara away from me. I'm really, really impressed. This was really, really easy. The colour has not pulled warm at all. I think the colour on the box is quite misleading. That looks like quite a warm brown. So I was really worried when this came in post. I may try the darker colour next time just to see if we can fill in those little gaps a little bit more. But I'm gonna have to see the before and after when I'm editing this video. But really impressed. This gel worked really, really well. Honestly, if I hadn't found that, I was just going to use my Burt's Bees lip balm because it doesn't have any colour in it, so it effectively is Vaseline. So if you don't have any Vaseline or whatever, then I just use a lip balm, to be honest. But this worked really, really well, so I'll use that again. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video, just a bit of something fun. I'm really, really glad that I am not going to look absolutely ridiculous at Henley tomorrow. And yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more from me. I put out all kinds of fashion and beauty videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!